Khubor ka Batisi TV, Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka India Tourism Shillong ka bahab hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka Ministry of Tourism ka Sarkar India harangkat ka jingit lang bat ka adventurers lembat ka office jong Superintendent of District Jail Nongpo kila rakhi ya ka jingyai lenti ka bahinyo sansnem jong ka jingyo lai lut ka ri India balatip kum ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav Barhaga Jogapor, kala rakhiru ia kalungko sngikha kapa shispa sanpulaisnem jong Mahatma Gandhi haga jingelang kabalalong ha plau jong district jail Nongpo haga shnong mausantai. Hagani gasngi la sakhi lang daw Inspector General Prisons uba MH Kharkrang uba lalong kum ukongsan harangkat kajingidon lang jong u Additional Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District uba R Kharbi Keo nang tade u Superintendent Kanongpo District Jail uba Dennis Warkalo but kinong mikmat naga India Tourism but naga Adventurers.
It is indeed an auspicious day which takes our memories back to 152 years ago in history when the father of the nation, Bapu Mahatma Gandhi, was born. He is a great leader, a great inspiration to the generation in the past and to the future generation that will come. We stand here today, we gather here today on this occasion to dedicate this day, being his 152nd birth anniversary. Just to remind you that during the 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, that was in 2019, we have touched a milestone in the administration whereby our great nation India was declared as an ODF country, whereby there is no littering or open defecation in the villages, in the rural areas. Through the Swachh Bharat mission, we have been able to provide around 80 crores of toilets to rural areas and even urban center. So it's a great respect, it's a great dedication to late Bapu on this day. And we gather here today at the district jail, Nongpo, which is of course a great sign that the message of Bapu and his values, whatever, satyagraha, non-violence, ahimsa, whichever values, valuable values that he has enshrined in our minds and our thoughts, even in the constitutional mandates through the directive principles of policies and all. So we gather here at the prisons to share some moments and dedicate our thoughts to the great leaders. Not only that it's not a formality that we gather here to commemorate his birthday, but we should take along the values along with us. That I urge to the staff of prisons here in Nongpo, all the staff, at least try to imbibe the values that Mahatma Gandhi has given to us.
That we care for you. One fine day, you will all be coming back to society, and we want you to feel part of the society. You are not anybody different. You won't be changing. You are the same people, and we respect you for that. Some of you may be convicted, some of you may be innocent, but we understand your pain. Being in prison is a pain. A prison may be made of gold, a golden cage, but still the birds who stay in the cage are not free to fly. One fine day, I'm sure these people will come out. The Indian prisons are much better than many of the countries elsewhere, because our Indian freedom leaders, they had spent a lot of time in jail themselves. Mr. Mahatma Gandhi ji, whose birthday we are celebrating today, he spent quite a good of time in jail. And after India became independent, I'm sure we know that handcuffing was stopped. No prisoner is handcuffed unless he is a threat, security threat. The prisoners are treated with respect. That's a wonderful thing. And I'm sure you're all taking care of the prisoners because they're here. Maybe because of some fault, maybe because of some misunderstanding, but they have to come back in society. And today we have brought food for them, just to tell them, just to pass a symbolic message. Because this one day's food is not going to make them healthy or strong or, change their lives. But we want to make them know that we care for you. We want you to join back the society.
Adding to the list over here is our idiom from Nong Stoin, and my colleague AIG and all the officers and staff of Nongpoh Jail. You see, today is the birthday of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and in fact, every year it used to be declared a holiday. And of course, by virtue of being a Saturday, it is also a holiday, but otherwise it's always declared as a holiday. And that declaration today as a national holiday doesn't mean that we stay at home and enjoy our sleep at home, but the intention is that we should come out of our houses and do something worthwhile. And I think so, this is exactly what Adventures in collaboration with India Tourism have done today. Otherwise they could have chosen this day to be another holiday, weekend holiday, and spend time in their respective houses. But to celebrate the birthday of the father of the nation, they feel that this is the best way for them to come out of the houses, come to Nongpoh prisons, be a part with us here as a family. And I'm very sure the message they want to send across is to send across a message to the people who are there inside, the four walls. The message that you want to send to the people there inside the four walls is that something has happened in your life once upon a time, and for that you have to be there within the four walls. But that doesn't mean that you have been condemned, doesn't mean that society has forgotten about you. They want to send a message to them that you are still being remembered, you are still part of the society, and with the progress of time, you will be coming out from there. And we believe that when you come out from the four walls, you will be a responsible citizen of the state and the country. After I've joined myself, after I've taken over the prison's department, one thing is that we have been trying to inculcate in our staff and the officers who are there, day and night working together with the inmates inside, not only here but all other district jails that we have, is that we want to make this place a correctional center. See, and that starts with changing the nomenclature. Now, if you say a jail, it sounds like some dungeon or some, like some people over there in chains and bounded. We wanted to change that, and we try to change by changing from jail to prisons, and we are taking up with the government also to change it, make it into a correctional center.
Very good.
That sends a more positive note to the people who come here, that this is not a place of punishment. Where are the others?